Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine at your home. Yes dear students, me Manpreet Kaur from California Public School, your SST teacher. Yes, today we have to start the 5th class 4th chapter whose name is Evolution of Transport. Evolution of Transport. How early human know about the transportation system. This one we have to read in this chapter. So, let's start it. You know very well students, we have to go from one place to another with the help of many things. By car, if we have to go somewhere else far, we have to use car. If we have to go somewhere else to abroad, we have to use the aeroplane. So these type of vehicles we have to use. So earlier human don't know how to take the things from one place to another. So with his brain they have to invented some things, and that is called what they have to invented, how we have to read in this chapter. So first is early human traveled from one place to another on foot. Firstly, human beings moved from one place to another on foot. So traveling long distance with heavy loads was not only difficult but also time consuming. And they have to carry the things with them also. So it is very difficult to move. So it is believed that early humans saw some logs floating in water. What he saw? Logs floating. पानी में log float कर रही हैं. Over time they realized that hollow trunks of tree can float in water easily. This gave early human the idea of using them for traveling by water. So first boat was made. Later early humans learned to tie number of straight logs together to make a raft. Then tie together, make a raft. After that, however, it was invention of the wheel which marked a turning point in the history of a transport. So after that they have to invent the wheel. So that is a very important discovery for the human being. Over time, a series of inventions and discoveries transformed the ways human traveled. Then after that he invented and discovered so many things in which the transportation system become very easily. So first one is wheel. How the early human invented the wheel. How they get the idea to make the wheel. In the beginning, early humans used carts to carry load. They have to make the carts. However, these carts had no wheels. But the carts had no wheel. They have to be dragged own self. They pushed and pulled the carts themselves. अपने आप को खींचते थे. Later they used animals to do this. After that they have to use the animals. But it was difficult to move the cart on uneven surface. Plain surface little bit smooth, but where have to get the rough surface. So it was very difficult for animals as well as for human being. With time they discovered the heavy round objects rolled easily. So this led early human to make a wooden roller for the fallen trees. So from this they have to got the idea of the wheel. The cart was placed on the wooden roller which made pulling the load easier. Gradually wooden roller made way for one of the greatest invention in human history, the wheel. When they have to see that wooden roller roll down easily on the surface, so they have to start to make the wheel. So it was a great invention. So the wheel was invented about 5500 years ago. 5500 years ago wheel was invented. However, its earliest use was not transportation. Firstly, it was justly take the things from one place to the another. It was used as potter's wheel to make pots. Firstly, potter wheels, पोट बनाने के लिए, चीज़ें बनाने के लिए. Next, the wheel was used for transport only after the invention of axle, and axle is a rod that connects the pair of wheels. जब उन्होंने axle बना ली, like this, that is the axle. These are the wheels and that log joins the two wheels. After that, they have to be use the wheel for the transportation. Next is reaching distant places. How they have to be cover the long distance. In the earlier lesson, you have read that surplus food was produced. Yes, previous chapter, when the Iron Age come, then food production is increased. Now, with the invention of the wheel, goods could be exchanged between far-flung places. मतलब दूर जाकर वो अपनी goods को exchange करते थे एक दूसरे के साथ. This led to the discovery of new and faraway lands. और उनको न्यू लैंड्स का पता चलता था और काफी दूर. This also created opportunities for trade and commerce. Means trade or commerce also be popularized. As transportation improved, trade began to be flourished. जैसे जैसे transportation improve हुई, same type in trade also be flourished. Flourished means increased. अच्छा हुआ. As there were fewer roads at that time, but roads not be their proper way, so carts could not always be used. This led travelers and explorers to look for the sea. Means they have to be search for the sea. That sea is a better way. Sea routes. The earliest ships used manual power, that is rowers used oars to propel the ships. कहते रोवर्स थे जो शिप्स को चलाते थे. मच लेटर सेलिंग शिप्स वर यूज्ड. सेल्स enabled the ships to use speed of the wind to move forward. Means like this one, they have to make the ships, and with the wind the ship would be moved. So as land and sea routes improved, people traveled to the distant places for trade. Land transportation also improved. Sea transportation also improved. So they have to be travel to the distant places. Long, they have to be go far. Silk Road was the important trade route. Important trade route है Silk Road that connected China in Asia with Italy in Europe. चाइना से लेकर यूरोप तक है. The road was named after the famous Chinese silk. चाइनीज की सिल्क है, उससे इसका नेम बना. डेट वॉज ट्रेडेड अलॉन्ग दिस रूट. इस रूट से उस सिल्क का सबसे ज्यादा ट्रेड होता था. मार्को पोलो एन इटालियन मर्चेंट ट्रेवल्ड थ्रू दिस रूट. मार्को पोलो था जो इटालियन मर्चेंट था, वो चाइना से सिल्क लेने के लिए सबसे ज्यादा आता था. सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी हैव टू रीड अबाउट द हाउ वी हैव टू इन्वेंट द व्हील and how we have to reaching the distant places. Hope students you have to be listen it carefully and understand it. So take care. Bye bye.